Okay, this is Affinity Designer, and I want to explain a little more about the user interface of this software. First, as you can see, we have lots of tabs. You can see that I create all of my covers in YouTube with this software, and I do all of my Vectorworks and graphic designer with Affinity software, designer, photo. For example, from here, as you can see, we have a lots of menu here that I explain all of these tools. We have main tools here, and for beginning you have to go to the file and new. I will be explaining this window in a separate lesson, but as you can see, we have for print, press ready, photo, web, and anything more. Here is A4, and from here you can choose and download samples that I download this car, and in a new, or you can see your account here if you want. From new, you can just create a simple tab here. As you can see, you can click on here and toggle between tabs. It's untitled tab. You can choose your own name. Like other software, if you choose any of these tools, we have our properties of that tools here. You can appear that, and we have some main other tools there. Now, Affinity Designer has three main tabs. This is designer persona, means you can do your Vectorworks here. You can do a little pixel works here, interesting. Not like Photoshop, but a little bit pixel. This software is its main focus is on vector, but in a pixel persona, you can, as you can see, the software will change all of the menus and toolbars. You in a pixel persona, you can do a lot of pixel works. And interesting part here is the export persona. I will be explaining all of them if you have some. As you can see, the software changes, all of the properties change. You can export your artworks here. It's very interesting. I will be explaining. I'm sure that you love this software and you can use it. So as you can see here, we have like other software colors, swatches, stroke, appearance, tabs, layers. You can see all of the layers of your works here. The layers, brushes, or styles. I will explain them. And here is the transform point. You can navigate, transform. I will explain them. And here, the user interface and navigation software is very software with a scroll mouse. You can zoom in and out. With holding your middle mouse button, you can pan. And that's it. It's very easy with your scroll of mouse. And you can go to you can go if you select nothing, you can come to settings and change lots of settings. I will explain them. And if you go to the window, you can, for example, you can click and drag and undock all of your the windows here, and you can place them anywhere in the software that you want. That's very easy. But if you suddenly delete them or confused your user interface, you can simply go to the window. Here there are in studio. Here you can, for example, if you need to text character, you can simply bring it there and click and drag it and add it here. We can see its user interface is very easy. But if you confuse and if you want to reset, for example, asset part, you can come to a studio and here reset a studio, and everything will be reset to its factory option. That's it. Navigation and user interface in this software is very easy. But you can go to the edit setting and you can change some of the settings that I will explain it to you. As you can see, for example, in a user interface that we are here, you can change the level of the background. If you have artboard, you can change the gray level of that. Text construct, you can change it. UI brightness, you can make it brightness. You can change the UI contrast. You can change the UI to the light like this, or dark again. And tooltip display, if you're going most over them, this is a tooltip. You can take it in 1 second, any second that you want. And don't change them. These are all about measurement in this software. And here you can change some of the settings here. That I will be explaining later. Or if you're confused, you can reset again. That's it. In the tools, you can see your shortcut. All of the shortcut here, for example, in the designer, in the pixel, in the export, the file menu, text menu, you can see all of the shortcut here. That's it. And let's begin to first lesson of the for new document and create a new document and design ourselves. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.